Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set default services for music and podcasts, for example on the Amazon Alexa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the More button down below, scroll down, click on Settings, scroll down again to the Alexa Preferences section and tap on Music and Podcasts. Here you should select the default services option at the top, tap on Music, which is the first section, and click on Change if you want to change Amazon Music. You can also change the artist and genre stations and the podcast too. If you go back, you can also enable the profanity filter and the voice deactivation, meaning that it allows the explicit content filter to be turned off with your voice. Try Alexa turn off the explicit content filter, that's how you can do it. If you go back, you can link new services here by tapping on this button, such as Spotify. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.